Hey ho guys, I'm a little bit under the weather today, but I wanted to share with you I got a Fashom Box. Because I am a little under the weather, I'm not going to be doing a try-on today. I'll probably film the try-on tomorrow or the next day and edit it in, but I wanted to take the clothes out and show them to you. And I did just wash my hands, it's all clean. If I return anything, I don't want to spread the germs back to Fashom, so trying to be a little careful. If you're unfamiliar with Fashom, it's a styling service similar to Stitch Fix, except you get it only on demand. You don't have to set a schedule to receive it like a subscription box. It's also a little bit less expensive than Stitch Fix. And in my box, first I already opened it because I wasn't going to film it all, and then I said, oh, it looks so pretty in there, I have to film it. You get a big envelope to return anything you don't want, just like with Stitch Fix. You pay for what you keep, you return what you don't. And there's an envelope, says hello beautiful, and in it is my invoice with my items and a little thank you card. Hi Monica, welcome back to Fashom. So excited to have you back and try new pieces. Kristen is my stylist. I have not been styled by Kristen before, I don't think. It's been a few months since I got Fashom, so I guess that's why they said welcome back. It says happy Valentine's Day, and then there's instructions for what to do and how to return the items. Now in this box, this was so cute. There's my bundle, and in it was a little Valentine's Day present of chocolates. That was so cute. That's what inspired me to film this. I was just going to film the try-on in a few days, but this is so pretty. Look! Look at how pretty this little burrito is. So let's see what's in here. I did tell them, just like with Stitch Fix, I'd be traveling to New Zealand. Ooh. And I was looking for pieces that might be transitional. This caught my eye when I saw it on the preview. This might go really well with that purple blazer I got in my other Stitch Fix. This is a warmer color than the top I was trying on for my Stitch Fix. This might be a little bit better for my skin tone. It is a size medium. It's by Chris and Carol. And I'm really a size large petite, but I can get away with a medium in a certain cut, and large is usually too big on me. So I'm glad to see this. And in the back, look at the little detail. It's got a split in the back. So I'm looking forward to trying this on. It's also really soft. It's a very soft feel to it, but it's not uber thin. I haven't had a Chris and Carol top before. This one, not sure about this one. It has I didn't realize when I looked on the preview, it has sort of a split neck. There is, see that? There's a little thing on the top, and then it goes down, and y'all know I don't like V-necks, but that doesn't go down very far. This is a kind of a, I guess it's not a floral, it's a leaf pattern, tropical looking on a black top. Black's not my favorite color, but I do like the florals. I like kind of this goldish color, and this also might look really good under that blazer. So we'll see how that is. This is by, who does this one? Bon Ami is the brand. So you'll see more of that in the try-on. This one didn't grab me on the preview. It's grabbing me a little more in person. It's kind of a simple tee. What size is this? This is a large. It might be a little bit big on me. Les Amis is the brand. Okay, so it's got that sort of orangey pink to it. And then it's got this little, what would you call that? Aqua, turquoise, teal, I'm not sure, something in between, with the orange on the bottom. These are definitely colors I like. So we'll see how that cute little t-shirt looks when I try it on. I'm actually looking forward to that. And in the preview, I was like, you can never tell with pictures online how something will look in person. Ooh, just black denim. I've seen a lot of people unbox just black. I've never tried it before. All right, and I'm always on the lookout for high-waisted jeans. This is a 31. Ooh, made in USA too. This is a size 31, which is a 12, which is my size. And we'll see how the length is on it. I am short, but petite sizing, if you watch my channel regularly, know petites are too short on me, and regular length tends to be too long. So fingers crossed that this will fit just right. Okay, and the last item, couldn't decide when I saw this on the preview. What they do is they send you about 7 items and you pick 5 to be shipped, but you only see these little tiny thumbnails, so you're never sure what they're going to look like. And out of the 5, there wasn't out of the 7, there wasn't 5 I was really thrilled with, so I asked them to send some more, so they added a couple of more things in, including those jeans. This one I wasn't sure when I first saw it. This is sort of a utility jacket. It is a light, I'd call that a sage more than an olive because it's so light. That's a good color for me. But what I really liked about this was the back. I wasn't sure about it because it looks boxy, but it's got this really pretty embroidery on the back. And this is by, I can't see who this is by. Okay, the tag that defines it is covered with a cloth, so I'm not sure who makes this. Oh, here it is. Paparazzi. All right. This might be too boxy for me. We will see. It's got a lot of pockets, which is good. I just love the flowers on the back. This is also very soft. There's a very slight bit of distressing on the pockets, or at least a pattern. It's a little bit too regular, I suppose, to be called distressing. A basic piece with kind of a few cute twists, which is kind of what I like in a box. So I'm enthusiastic about this. I am not going to try it on until my nose clears up a little bit more. I do just have a cold, but so give me a day or two and I will try these on. I'm actually really excited about this, especially excited to see how this works with that blazer. If you haven't seen my January Stitch Fix, you can go back and watch that and you'll see the blazer, and I'll probably try this on with the blazer because I'm quite enthusiastic about this. Often my problem is fit, so I like these styles. We'll see if they fit and you will tell me what you think. I will see you a few seconds for you, a couple of days for me. See you soon. Okay, this is the Chris and Carol top. It's very soft. I like the color. I'm going to stand up real straight and turn around. If I don't stand up real straight and tall, the split in the back actually shows my back. As soon as I sit down, it opens up and you can see the skin of my back. These jeans I'm wearing are very high-waisted. The waist comes right up to here. They're the highest waisted pair of jeans I have. And if I wasn't wearing these, you'd see my back through this slit even more. So let me raise my hands up. Because of that slit, I think I'm going to have to pass on this. If it was just a little bit not quite as open in the back, if the slit didn't go up quite as high, I think I would keep this. This is the Les Amis top. All these tops, by the way, are made in the USA, so I feel secure that they're not sweatshop labor, which is nice. This is polyester in this front part, and then the sleeves are rayon. I like the color very much on this. I like this kind of orangey coral and this kind of greenish blue together. What I don't quite like with this, it's comfortable. It feels a little baggy on me. Just the way it falls, I'm not sure is that complimentary. Just sort of, tell me what you think. Here's a little utility jacket. It's really comfortable. It's 100% cotton. It's probably not the right shirt to wear with it, but you can button it up. I would probably wear it open. I did ask in this box for items I could take on my trip to New Zealand. New Zealand has reverse seasons from ours, so I'm going down there in about a week or so, and it'll be the end of summer. And I'm staying for a little bit more than a month, so it'll be the beginning of fall when I leave. So I wanted transitional items, and this little jacket might just fit the bill. Now, let me turn around. That's all real embroidery on the back. I think I'm afraid to wash this. 100% cotton. And all that really nice embroidery on the back, will it hold up? I don't know. But it's $40 for this utility jacket. I have a $20 credit on my account.
I think I'm keeping this. Oh, this is going to be a difficult one. I think this is really flattering on me. I really like the kind of leaf tropical print. I love that sort of thing. I'd probably like it better if there was more green in it, but that's just me. However, anyone that knows me is going to know the problem I have with a top like this. When I saw this on the preview, it looked to me like it was a crew neck, because of this little thing right here. This is an open keyhole. Now, if I stand nice and straight and tall, it's not that much of a problem. But I'm the kind of person that doesn't want to show any cleavage. It's why I don't wear V-necks. And if I bend over, it's a problem to get something. Also, if I slouch or if I'm just walking around, the shirt slides around a little bit. I like everything else about it. Here are the Just Black jeans, and you don't see them on me because they were so small, I could not get them closed at all. They feel like they're a good quality pant. They are listed on the tag here as a size 31, which is a size 12. The jeans I'm wearing tonight are a size 10. Now, maybe these run a little bit big. Maybe these run a little bit small, but that's 2 size differences. I'm normally a size 12. This is supposed to be a size 12. It looks to me it's closer to a size 8. Now, do any of you have Just Black jeans? Do they normally run small? Because these run really small, so no try-on for these, definitely not keepers. I would probably be willing to try them again in a size up to see if they fit, because they feel like very nice jeans. They're just small. Okay, wrap up. This here, the Bonami leaf print top in size large, this is $42. And this is polyester and rayon. It's kind of the nice polyester that falls well. I liked a lot about this. I just didn't like the keyhole. And I have a feeling because of that keyhole, I'm not going to pull for it. I thought it fit really nicely though. So I have a feeling this is going to be a return. It also would really pack nicely too. I said I needed stuff for my trip, and look how small you can get a top like this. I don't know. One thing with Fashom, you get a 25% discount for keeping at least 3. If you keep 5, you get a 30% discount. So that's pretty good. I don't think I'm going to have 3 items in this box though. The Just Black jeans are $65, which actually I think is a really good price for Just Black jeans. I'm pretty sure in Stitch Fix, these are about 80 something, but I might be wrong about that. If you've gotten these in another subscription box, tell me if this is a good price for them. They're good quality jeans. This is just about 2 sizes too small for me. So that's going to be a return. This is the Les Amis mixed print top in coral, size large. This is $38. I just didn't think it was very flattering on me. It's okay. It's just didn't really do anything for me. And that is polyester and rayon. And now the floral embroidered utility jacket. The color is Army. It does look like an army olive that's been out in the sun a little bit. Size large, and this is $40. And it has that beautiful embroidery on the back. Can you see up close how nice that is? It does go through to the inside. I'm definitely keeping this one. And the brand is Paparazzi. If you've gotten an item from that brand before, let me know how it holds up. I had never heard of that brand before. And last is the Chris and Carol Marie print long sleeve top in burgundy. Size medium/large. It says medium on here, but I think this runs a little bit large. It's probably where they wrote medium large. This is $39. If it wasn't for that slit in the back going up so high, I would keep it. that's going to be a deal breaker. I'll tell you, cuts in the front and cuts in the back. So I think the only thing I'm going to keep out of this is this jacket that I love very much. Although I am still considering this, despite that keyhole, because I just thought it looked so nice. But this is probably going to be a return. So anyway, let me know what you think. I will be leaving for New Zealand, as I said, in about a week, and I may be vlogging a little bit from there, but there won't be any more clothing subscription unboxings because I'm going to be out of the country. So, all right, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.